Hi everyone, I am Jordan, the Customer Success Manager here at GoLinks, and today I'm going to show you how you can bulk upload your bookmarks to turn them into GoLinks. So if you are on the dashboard right here at the top right where you see Create GoLink, we're going to go ahead and click into that, and you will see that you now have the ability to import your bookmarks and turn them into GoLinks. So when we hit import bookmarks, it gives us a little tutorial on how we are going to go ahead and export our bookmarks in order to import them and make them into GoLinks. So I'm going to head and do that. When I do that, it will take me to my bookmarks. I'm using Chrome. This is what they look like. And up here at the top right, you'll see these three little dots, and it will give you the option to export your bookmarks. When you do that, you're going to go ahead and save this file. So I'm going to say bookmarks to GoLinks. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Once I save that, I will go ahead and come back to the tutorial, and I can then hit next, where it is going to ask me to add the file. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Once I do that, all I do is hit next, and it gives me the option to customize how many of these bookmarks I want to make into GoLinks. I can either make all of them or just select the specific ones that I want to make GoLinks for. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next, and then it will suggest a keyword based off of just a quick scan, but change this to whatever is memorable and intuitive to you. So I'm going to change this to CS Success Metrics. You can also add a brief description if you would like, and then you can customize this a little bit more. You can add a tag to it, so I'm going to add a tag for customer success, and then metrics. And then for this one down here, company LinkedIn. If this looks good to me, I'm going to go ahead and just hit create. And then it will go ahead and import those bookmarks and make them into GoLinks. So it says that we have now created them. We can see them right here. If we want to view them, we can go ahead and hit View GoLinks, and it will take us right to this page where we can make any additional changes if we like. So this is how you import your bookmarks to GoLinks. If you have any questions, please feel free to head to our support channel or reach out to us directly.